everybody! Today is the last day of the Bird Call Fan Art Celebration. Thank you to everyone who sent in art. And keep on sending art. We might do one of these again in the future. But till then, today's last artists that will be featured are... Shane McNeil. Isn't he like that guy? You know that guy, right? You know that guy. Anyway, play the art, play the art. Oh, I had to wipe a tear away from my eye. It was just beautiful, beautiful. Thank you to all you talented artists for all of your hard work and taking the time to draw little old dodos like myself and my other feathered friends. We really appreciate it. Mwah! Thank you, and have a great one. Let's go celebrate! Woohoo!